Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw somebody skateboarding. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing, we're going to begin right here and we're going to make the face. So I'm going to start over here and we're just going to begin by drawing a little line that's going to go up and then down here. And that's going to be the nose of our skateboarder. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. And then right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up. And we're going to bring this line up too. Starting here, let's make a line that's going to come across. Then we'll draw a line that goes up on each side. And we're going to make a line that comes across here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and come down for the top of my helmet. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. And I'm going to put a little black dot in there. Starting here, I'm going to make the mouth, so I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come down, and we're going to bring it up here. I'm going to add a couple little bumps in here for some teeth, and a little line in here for the tongue. Then we'll just color in this part. Starting here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to go up and down for the ear. And right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. And then it's going to go right up here to the ear and jump over. Then we'll draw a little line that's going to come down and then up. And we'll bring it all the way down here. Then we'll just put a little line in here for the ear. Now, starting here, I'm going to just draw a little line that's going to go down and then over for the neck. We'll add a little line right around here for the ring of the shirt, or the top of the shirt. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and then over. And then over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and then over. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over, and then it's going to come up to here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come back. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up here. Then we're going to make a little line over here. And we'll draw a couple little lines for some fingers. Over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. We're going to make a line that's going to go up and down. We'll make a line that's going to go down and up for the thumb. And then we'll make a couple little lines for some fingers. Next, we'll do the same thing. We'll just draw this line over to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then over. We'll draw a line across, and then we're going to go up and then come back at an angle. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then back here. Line across, and then we're going to go up and then come up to here. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. It's going to come over and then connect to here. Do the same thing here. We're going to go up and down. We're going to come over and then come up. Then we'll add a little line right across here on each side for the shoes. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to go up. It's going to come down. We're going to go over. We're going to go up and then down here. We'll make a little line right here to connect it. Starting here, I'm going to make a little circle for a wheel, and we'll make another little circle right here for a wheel. Then we'll add a smaller circle inside each one. Now, once you have your little skateboarder drawn, then you can add some of the different details on here. And there's lots of different things you can do. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little line coming down here for the helmet for some detail. I'm going to add some extra little lines right here on the pants. Then you can always add like a design on the shirt if you want. I'm going to give our skateboarder some hair. And there you go, there is your drawing of a skateboarder. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.